Hello, my name is Brian Widdison. Today I want to talk to you about 3 studies within the field of occupational therapy research and how they used the software packages of STATA, SAS, and R. The first study is titled, "Was a Global Pandemic Needed to Adopt the Use of Telehealth in Occupational Therapy?" The researchers conducted an international survey to determine the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on telehealth practice in occupational therapy worldwide. Data analysis was conducted using STATA 15. Descriptive statistics and bivariate analyses were used to assess relationships between respondent characteristics and the usage of telehealth during the COVID-19 pandemic. The chi-square test for independence was used to determine statistically significant differences between telehealth users and non-users. Results were stratified using demographic characteristics of respondents, including their professional role, work setting, and the income level of their country, as defined by the World Bank. An ordinal logistic regression model was run to understand the influence of telehealth with outcomes of working during the COVID-19 pandemic, as scored by respondents on a 4-point Likert scale. The next study is titled, "Higher Hospital Spending on Occupational Therapy is Associated with Lower Readmission Rates." The researchers investigated the association between hospital spending per Medicare patient for different categories of service and 3 clinical outcomes: a 30-day readmission rate for heart failure, pneumonia, and acute myocardial infarction. The researchers used the SAS 9.4 statistical software system to conduct their research analysis. To explore the associations between spending category and readmissions, the researchers performed 3 multivariable regressions at the hospital level. As a sensitivity analysis, the researchers applied similar regression models using a category level cost quartiles. And in a supplementary test, they evaluated how hospital characteristics are associated with spending categories. The researchers found that occupational therapy was the only category where higher spending has a statistically significant association with lower readmission rates for patients with heart failure, pneumonia, and acute myocardial infarction. The next study is titled, "Disparities in the Allocation of Inpatient Physical and Occupational Therapy Services for Patients with COVID-19." The researchers used our statistical software to complete their data analysis. They used descriptive statistics to describe the receipt of PT or OT referrals amongst different racial and ethnic groups and between sexes. They performed bivariate analyses to determine whether predictors of therapy referral differed among these groups. Multivariable mixed effects logistic regression models tested whether there was an independent association between race and ethnicity with the receipt of PT and or OT referrals. Overall, it was found that with PT and or OT referrals differed by racial ethnic groups and sex, with Hispanic male patients less likely to receive PT and or OT referrals.